Guruji, what is spirituality for people who are very successful business guys or leaders like Bill Gates, Ambani, Mahatma Gandhi?
So you want to know what spirituality they follow. Remember, spirituality is not about God. Religion is about, can be about God or any other thing, angels and stuff. But spirituality, spirit, experiencing the spirit within you is called spirituality. Am I clear with you? So, you don't have to have a specific or a formal spirituality in your life. People who are focused and absorbed within their own self, people who do not have, or people who do not yield in to their self-doubt, to their self-limiting, self-harming tendencies. Whenever you want to do something, can I do that? Maybe something will happen. Maybe that will happen. Maybe you don't create that openness in your life. Some people, you can't say that they do not follow spirituality, because there's very successful people and you say spirituality is mostly in India, so people who are now outside, they are more successful. I understand your concept, but you have to understand this. Spirituality from Sanatana Dharma was never about God. It was always about, you see, our Rama is considered God in our society. And if you understand, he wanted to build a bridge. And the ocean was not giving way. First he requested humbly, and then he threatened the ocean god. While Lakshmana was in a state of unconsciousness, Surya, he felt that Lord Surya was getting, rising up in the horizon. And suddenly he started getting angry, though he didn't. But he got angry. How can Lord Surya? If you understand, Lord Rama, the so-called God, if you understand, was sometimes disappointed or depressed or angry on the God that he prayed. Why? Because it was all about self and self-awareness. Ayam Atma Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, Prajnanam Brahma were considered as the cornerstones of our spirituality. Never ever they said Lord Shiva Brahma. They never ever said Lord Shiva great. They said I am Atma Brahma. I am Atma. My existential source is the Brahma. Aham, the I am within me is the Brahma. And they trusted on it, they experienced it and manifested it in their life. So, any person who is not yielding into their self-doubt, self-limiting or self-harming tendency and is absolutely focused on the possibilities of life and the humongous potential ability to manage and experience is in some way or the other in spiritual path only. In fact, spirituality is all about improving the horizons of human perception, thereby finally understanding that there are no limitations. So all the examples, all the names that you have come up with are also people who had a humble beginning, but they continuously and constantly worked on expanding the horizons of their own perception and started believing in a bigger thing than what they are, what their mind is. They started believing in their own infinite possibility. So that is also a form of spirituality, one of the purest form of spirituality. So do not misunderstand, spirituality is about, that is the reason why in supramental meditations and in Siddha Sanmarga, I never ever ask you to focus on God or on any other deity, because the truth is, if freedom is the way, freedom should be the path. If self-realization is the way, self-experience is the path. If abundance is the goal, then self-actualization should be the way. It's all about yourself, how you feel about yourself, truly, deeply, and honestly. After an intensive or an elaborate analysis and experience, that's called true spirituality. So they are pursuing, and moreover, you will find all these successful people that you have named, all of them accept that once in their life they have come to India and got influenced by some Maharshi, by some spiritual master. If you are a true candle ready to be lit, it's one matchstick, that's enough. Only when you are not ready, it takes a master a lot of time to build the wax within you, to tune the wick within you, and then light the wick within you, so that you can be the bright, shining truth unto your own self. So the ready you are, the easier you get initiated. And the easier you get initiated and the ready you are, you tend to express more and more and better in your life. It's all about you experiencing your own intrinsic belief, your own reality of life. I am born to succeed because I am designed to succeed. Jai Gurudev.